Welcome to part 2 in the interior modeling and rendering series. Today we're going to model these two sofa chairs using SubD in Rhino. If you want a copy of these chairs, you can download them for free with the link in the description. Videos are posted every week, so don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Alright, let's get into the video. Now we need some funky sofas. So if you click on this arrow, you'll get cylinder. We'll get a bunch of options. And we're just going to click on cylinder for now. And then on this face, we're going to make a circle. What should our radius be? If our radius is, I don't want it to be too big. Let's say our radius is 300. Ooh, small chair. And then 100 tall is going to be the base of our sofa. And then we're going to use my favorite thing ever, SubD tools. So just click up here. These are the best tools to use when you're modeling curves. And I also like to make furniture in here a lot that involves plush things, not necessarily fabric. Like if you want a really wrinkly cloth sort of look, it's best to use Blender, but we can sort of fake it in Rhino with using SubD. So I'm gonna use this SubD ellipsoid here, and yeah, from the center and perpendicular. Cool. And it's going to be let's make it that tall for now. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up a little bit. And I want it to scale a little bit that way. That's covering the edges of our base. Ooh. What happened? There we go. Cool. So right now you couldn't really sit on that. Oh, we'll just ignore that there. Tee. It's in the ground. You won't see it in the rendering, so it's fine. And then if you hold Control Shift, you can select the faces on the SubD object. And we're gonna just bring them down a little bit. And we're gonna hold Control Shift and deselect these edges. And also bring this down a little bit, and then maybe I'll also bring down this oh, that didn't look very ergonomic. Click Control Shift, and you can also click these edges and bring these down like that. Cool, that's definitely looks a bit more comfortable to sit in. And then Control Shift, and we're going to select these faces. This is going to be our backrest. And so instead of just moving them up like this, that's not what I want. Although that could be really cool actually, but we're not going to do that. We want to extrude these faces and make new surfaces. So to do that, you have to hold the circle on this arrow here and see how this pushes up, and it just does it a little differently. How high do we want it? Maybe we'll make something cute and small like this. Cute, love it. I actually don't know if I love it. Let's select one more face on the side. See what happens now. Okay. It's interesting. Push this a bit. Oh, what did I just say? Push this in a bit. Okay. What if we just move this up? Definitely move these back a bit. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, that's not that bad. Not hating. Select this edge here and here. Let's make it go up a little bit. No, you can't rest your arms. Okay, we're just messing with it now to make it seem, I don't know, a little bit more comfier and designer. You can mess with yours however much you want. You can make a completely different sofa using the same method that I am here. And we're basically just playing with it. Okay, I don't love how this is intersecting. So we're going to go to our visibility tab and click isolate objects. So we haven't deleted everything, don't worry. We've just focused on this selection and everything else has been hidden or made invisible. So we're just going to bring that up a bit. And then if we hit this show objects, we can bring this up. Ooh, that's kind of fun. But that's not what we're doing. Oh, that's interesting. That's really interesting. Maybe we don't need a base. That's kind of cool on its own. But that's not what we were really after, to be honest. Maybe it's fine. Maybe I'm just a perfectionist and it's actually fine. Or maybe it can float. Oh, that would be cool. Or maybe it can just sit like this. Yo. Okay, I like that. Originally, I was just trying to make it look like it was interacting with this more. And not just like falling through it. But I like this. This is gonna be our sofa. That's a cute little chair. Maybe it's like a swivel chair. Like, I don't know, if you're a furniture designer, maybe I gave you an idea. Let me know if you can make it in real life. Okay, cute. So now we're going to select both of those objects and type in mirror. Make sure you have copy turned on, so don't make sure it's not on no. Just click it and it'll say yes. Otherwise you'll delete the original. You'll delete this one. But yay, now we have two. Okay, let's go to this viewport and just look at the composition. Change that to shaded. I want these, they're a little far away. Lovely. And we don't want this to be an exact mirror of this one because otherwise it'll look too perfect and then it'll make it look unnatural. So we've just made it come in a little bit more. And this makes me think that this is too high. Yeah, that's better. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Subscribe to come back for part 3 where we make this coffee table.